Today, I will show you a free unlimited AI image generator, a image-to-video generator, and the text prompt generator. So you can make free AI videos without have to log in or pay. It's all for free. I will leave the links in the description to make your life easier. Here we got the image generator. Here you got the image-to-video generator. And here we got the text generator for the prompts. I already got a simple prompt for it to generate me an image of a shark in the ocean. I'm going to copy the image info. Now we go to the image generator and paste the text prompt. You can choose the number and the format of your images. Just press Generate. We will choose one for our image to video. Paste the image you downloaded and write a simple movement prompt or use the auto generator. And that's it, you got your free AI video without login to nothing or pay. I hope you like this info I shared with you. And as appreciation, you should press the subscribe and come back for more.